Hello guys, CSIR has announced NET examination result yesterday. So those who have appeared for CSIR NET examination, they can find their result on their official website. For that, you just have to type CSIR HRDZ in Google. You will directly reach to the link. The first link, if you click it, this is the official website for the CSIR, and if you go down, you can find in news and announcement the very first link, joint CSIR UGC JRF net result of 2021 June. So a PDF opens here and you can see the PDF where all the candidates listed here, those who have qualified JRF net examination, CSIR, their roll numbers are mentioned here, your rank is there, those who have got the rank under CSIR, they'll be listed here. So these are the students, those who have qualified JRF net for CSIR. Similarly, if you go down further, you can find out the name of the student, those who have qualified JRF net UGC. Both are same. UGC, you will get the scholarship from UGC here, and there if you have qualified under CSIR, you will get the scholarship from your CSIR website. And below this, if you go, then you can find another category for LS, lectureship eligibility, or the assistant professor eligibility. So these all the students you can see have qualified JRF. Along with the rank, it is mentioned. You just have to find out your roll number, and you can find your roll number here and rank as well. So this is the third column or list for lectureship or assistant professor net qualified people. Total number, you can see there are 3,452 students, those who have qualified net. This list particularly belongs to all stream of students, life science, chemical science, arts, commerce. So all streams are present here. And JRF qualified students are also eligible for NET examination. JRF is a 2-year validity, while NET is a lifetime validity. So if you are desire to join PhD and you are JRF qualified, you can apply within these 2 years. Many more opportunities are there for you. And for those who have not cleared this time, don't worry. Again, you will be having exam in June or July. So time is very less. You can continue your preparation and work on your mistakes. I wish you all the best for the next examination for those who have not qualified, and my best wishes are there, those who have qualified this time. All the best. Happy learning. Take care.